Hey friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So tonight I am going to do a project. It's a candle. So I actually was going to do this last night, but I was too tired. Okay, so first of all, we are going to, I've never used this. I got this Wick Candle Maker from Hobby Lobby. And we're going to use it and we're going to see how well it works. And then I am going to use this. So if you watch my Dollar Tree haul, I'm going to clean this glass out, but I'm going to make a candle in this. So I'm going to be making a succulent candle. So I've got these succulent molds that I got off Amazon. This is the succulent candle that I'm going to be using, and I've got some coloring, and I've got some smell, and we are going to make a succulent candle. So I'm super excited about this, and I'm excited to see if this Wick Candle Maker from Hobby Lobby works. So I'll let you know. So we'll do, two things in one video. And so I'm hoping that this sound is coming out well. I'm using my AirPods. So, I bought a microphone for my phone, and then somebody told me that, you can use your AirPods, or, it's a good microphone, and never even thought about it. So I have bought 3 of those microphones, and I have AirPods, so we'll see. If it works, fantastic, I hope. All right, so I'm going to just change the view so that you can see what I'm doing, and we'll get started. So this is the Wick Candle Maker, and it comes with this little piece here. So this is where you're going to melt your wax. So let's see. This opens up. You put your wax inside here. This is, you turn it up like this. And then this is the little spout you open to let it pour. If you can see that. And then it comes with, I gotta put my glasses on. And then it comes with this wax here. So this is paraffin wax. I do have some soy wax, but since we're just trying this out, we'll go ahead and use the paraffin. It comes with this, and then it comes with this little container that you put in here, and you lock it in, and that's so that the wax pours in, and then that's how you can make your candle. And then it's got this little hole for your wick. But I'm not gonna use that. And it's got a wider one also, so you can make 2 sizes of candles. And then, oh, it's dusty, out of the box dusty. Ugh. And then it comes with this colorant. And then it comes with some wicks. That goes down in there. All right, that's turned on. Let's see what our wax looks like. Oh, look at that. It's coming along. Look at this. It's melting nicely. Oh, and the smell's gone away, so I do like this. All right, so far I like this thing. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. I am going to be doing bamboo. So I also have these glue dots. I just got these from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to pull off a glue dot, because when I go to put it in here, I'll put the glue dot on the bottom of that. All right, let's just open this and see what happens. Look at that. Here comes the wax. Here comes the wax. Wow. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right, let's stop it. All right, so no drip after stopping it, so that's good. I'm gonna put some more wax in here. Close this back up. All right, so I'm gonna take this off. I want you to be able to see it. And I thought I had yeah, here we go, a little spoon. It's the nice thing about my desk being so messy right now. I've got everything on it that I need. All right, so I'm gonna open this up, and this is called Oyster, and it's like this silvery green color I thought would be really pretty. So let's stir that up. We want to do it without spilling. And my wax is already starting to get a little bit on the clumpy, so it obviously hardens up pretty quick. So I want to go ahead and pour this. All right, so I'm going to pour this into here. And I'm gonna, oh, so I guess that is where I need this thing, and I obviously should have put it on first, so instead I'll just do it like this so that it sits up. Feel like a little bit more wax. All right, so, well, what do I do with this? I guess I'll just pour it in on the bottom of there. Although I wanted to make the little candle go all the way, but that's okay. Oh, I forgot to put my smell good. Darn it, darn it. I forgot to make it smell good. Don't forget your smell good. I forgot my smell good. Oh, geez. That's a mess. All right. All right, so I pulled a few rocks out of my container of rocks. All right, so what I think I'm gonna do, and let me put this on, so this is getting hard. I think I'm gonna put some rocks. So I think my problem that I'm worried about is it going to sit up too high? You know what I mean? Like, I think that's okay. We'll see. I mean, I've got 2 more that I can, you know, if I need to play around. All right, so we're going to pour in some wax. This is still a little bit hot, but I think it's okay. Okay, so that's going to be good. And, oh, did you see what I just did? Oh my gosh. What a mess. What a waste, but mostly what a mess. All right, so I got my dot, my little glue dot, and we'll see if it sticks on the wax. Hopefully it does. All right, that's pretty good. Let me just move this over now so I can see. Actually, let me turn this off. There's a little bit of wax going over, but that's not a big deal. I can always, you know, pick up that wax. So I want a little bit up over under here. And I actually want a little bit. And the little bit of wax I got on here, I can always just wipe off. That's not a big deal. All right, so that's cute. We're gonna give that just a few minutes to settle. All right, so the Wick Candle Maker from Hobby Lobby. Yes, it is a yes. I love this thing. So all I did while it was still warm, I took a baby wipe and just wiped out the inside of it. Don't burn yourself. Now the paraffin like, I mean, that's just like if you were going to get like your hands waxed, but yeah, just don't burn yourself when you're trying to clean it out. And this little piece, I'll just pull everything off. So that's good. And then my cup, just like epoxy, like I bend it and all of this will come out. And then I'll put all of this away and actually save the wax. So I did make a second candle with some of that extra wax just because. So I'm just putting that to the side. Haven't cleaned up my mesh yet. I'll do that after. All right, so my candle is done. I'm going to just trim my wick. And see if I have anything. Just kind of clean up any excess candle on there. And there we go. That turned out really cute. I love this. So cute. So I'm going to make a few more of these. I'll probably, like, you know, play around with the rocks, you know, find some different sizes and sort of play around with filling, you know, filling the rocks in. But this is definitely cute. And so because I put the wick down, this has the ability to burn all the way down, you know, to the bottom of it. So anyways, so that's it. I know that this is probably going to go up late because I didn't even get home from work until right before I started this. So it's probably, I don't even know what time it is. It's probably like 9 o'clock at night. It's going to mess up the algorithm, but I don't care. I have to work all weekend and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope that you like it. Let me know what you think about my little DIY with my Dollar Tree candle holders. So we did the review on the Wick Candle Maker from Hobby Lobby, and we did our Dollar Tree DIY. All right, listen, I hope you guys have a blessed and beautiful day. And if you like it, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, hit subscribe, friends, and I'll see you later. Bye.